Myself Neil Lopez from University. My team name is Excle. Since I am doing bachelor's in pharmacy, I thought of taking up this project, affordable ventilators, which is under healthcare sector. The price of the current ventilators ranges from 5 lakhs to 20 lakhs rupees, and it may go much more than that. So our primary objective was to bring down the cost of the ventilators, and also it can be affordable by the middle class people, poor people. They can access it in their house. They need not carry their patients to the hospital, and also they can use it during the emergency situations. So we conducted many surveys and researches in Father Muller's Medical College Hospital. Based on the information that we received, we started up this project, Affordable Ventilators.
My name is Sabik. So after a few brainstorming sessions, we got to know that one of the main reasons why these ventilators are expensive is because of the materials that they use. So we wanted to reduce the cost. That was our main aim. And we have done exactly that. We have used pneumatic tubes, we have used compressors, and it will give the basic principle of ventilation. And one of the main reasons why people suffer a lot in hospitals is because these ventilators, you can't just take it from one place to the other in a jiffy. We can't do that. So we have reduced the size, we have made it portable, we have made it accessible. So one of our main aims is to help people reduce the burden on their families, and we want to save as many lives as we can.